Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today, we're going to explore the key considerations in food production. Whether you're a culinary professional or an aspiring chef, understanding these aspects is crucial for producing high-quality and safe food. Let's get started. Food production is a complex process that involves transforming raw ingredients into finished dishes. To ensure food safety, quality, and efficiency, there are several key considerations to keep in mind. Let's dive into each one. First, let's talk about ingredient sourcing. Ensuring that you have high-quality ingredients from reliable suppliers is the foundation of great food production. Choosing reputable suppliers helps maintain consistent quality. Always inspect ingredients for freshness and safety standards. Next, food safety and hygiene are paramount in any kitchen. Proper sanitation and hygiene practices help prevent contamination. Ensure all staff follow strict hygiene protocols, including regular hand washing and wearing appropriate protective gear. Temperature control during storage, preparation, and cooking is essential to prevent bacterial growth. Effective inventory management is key to minimizing waste and ensuring fresh ingredients are always available. Use the FIFO, or first in, first out, method to ensure older stock is used before newer stock. Regularly track inventory levels to avoid overstocking or shortages. Standardized preparation techniques ensure consistency in quality and portion control. Train staff in proper food preparation techniques and safety protocols to maintain high standards and efficiency. Choosing the right cooking method is crucial for achieving the desired taste and texture. Understand the principles of heat transfer, cooking times, and temperatures. Use the appropriate tools and equipment for each cooking method to ensure the best results. Plating and presentation play a significant role in the dining experience. Arrange food attractively on plates and garnish dishes to enhance visual appeal. Consistency in presentation is important for maintaining high standards. Proper storage and preservation techniques are essential for maintaining freshness and quality. Store ingredients and prepared food at appropriate temperatures. Use preservation methods like refrigeration and freezing to extend the shelf life of food products. Implement inventory management practices to reduce waste. Adhering to food safety standards and regulations is critical. Follow local and international food safety regulations, such as HACCP. Conduct regular inspections and audits to ensure compliance and identify areas for improvement. Sustainability practices are increasingly important in food production. Implement eco-friendly practices, such as reducing food waste, sourcing local ingredients, and minimizing energy use. Use environmentally friendly packaging materials to reduce the environmental impact. Finally, actively seeking and responding to customer feedback helps improve food quality and service. Be adaptable and willing to adjust recipes and processes based on customer preferences and trends. By considering these key aspects, food production operations can ensure the delivery of high-quality, safe, and enjoyable food to customers while maintaining efficiency and sustainability. That's it for today's episode on key considerations in food production. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.